Hiya folks, it's good to be back from sunny Cyprus. I'm back in the UK now. Gary's been buying lawnmowers again. Let's have a look, see what he's got and see what we're up to inside the log cabin. Right, we've just picked up these 3 lawnmowers. Gary's brought these while I've been away in Cyprus for the last 2 weeks. We've also got another one he's in there working on. We'll show you that in a second. And don't forget, if it's your first time here on Retrorestore, do hit the subscribe button and also ring that notification bell and set your notifications to all. That way you'll get notified every time we upload a video. Right, let's just pop inside first and see what he's got in the way of lawnmower decks, which he's stripped down apparently. We're gonna have to do some work on this one. Let's go and have a look at it. Right, okay, so what we got here then? This is one you've been sanding down apparently.
Sovereign self-drive.
Right, this is a Sovereign self-drive lawnmower. He's stripped it right down. How much you paid with this one?
15 quid.
£15, and all in all, it's a pretty good mower. Did the engine run on it?
Yeah, it's a Honda engine.
Oh, right, let's have a look at that then. So, obviously, as you can see there, it is a Honda engine one. It was worth doing the work on because it runs actually fine. All he's done, what did you take this down with, a flappy disc?
Flappy disc, yeah.
Yeah, and what he has noticed is here we've got some holes here. So what we're going to do, we're going to actually repair this. We're going to cut this out and put a few patches in there. And then what we're going to do with that is to powder coat it. As you know, I've got my powder coating oven over there, and we're going to get this prepared. We will have to have a look underneath and probably scrape some of the underneath. Oh, you've already done that?
I've had a go on it.
Yeah, that's nice and tidy. So we'll just have to cut these holes out. You'll see this in another video, probably not in this video, but I'm sure you'll be interested to see how this is going to turn out as one of the first lawnmowers that I'm powder coating. So coming over here, he's got another one of these big mount fields, which we done in the last restoration video. What's the matter with this one? Although this one has got a power supply for a key, but you're not interested in that, I don't think. You can probably strip that off, I would imagine, and just use this as a normal pull mower. So let's see this one. Does it start? Let's have a go.
Well, I bought it as a non-runner. Checked the petrol, it had a tank of petrol in it. So I've just whipped the plug out. And as I went to take the plug out, the HT lead went on.
So whoever's had this has not realised, and it's it pull started the first time, did it? Or
First pull when I put the plug back
right,
on.
so let's fire it up then. Let's have a little look at it. So very much like the other one that we restored, it's exactly the same mower basically. It's a very big deck one. Not too sure about them wires there, as I say, we might have to take them off. Does the drive work on it?
Drive, it just needs to tighten up a bit, it's just a bit loose.
Right, so the belt probably just needs a bit of adjustment on that, so that's not a problem. Maybe worth painting this deck as well. Again, it looks like a solid one. We've just picked these 2 up today, and then what we got here, we've got a little Champion self-propelled 46cm cut. Now again, we haven't tried to start these yet, have we?
No, I think it needs a bit of petrol in it. Yeah, it's bone dry.
Bone dry, right, let's just put some juice in it.
I don't know what this is about. I think it's just holding the airbox on.
Oh right, yeah, someone's just made some temporary catch for the airbox there. The lugs might have broken off that, so we'll get that, hopefully get that sorted. We'll just put a drop. We've not even started this, we've literally just picked them up, so we'll see what it does. Right, as you can see what people normally do here, look, they just tie these handles up to keep them running without them having to do anything. Look, makes you wonder, doesn't it? So again, it's got the L speed control on these ones with the choke that goes right up there. Okay, you put that cap on. Where's that cap? Again, that looks like it's been poorly maintained. As you can see there, the plug's all rusty. The plug cover is broken away from that. So it may or may not start, we don't know. We'll have a go. That don't sound like it wants to go. Hey? The drive's trying to go, is it? Oh, right. Yeah, it seems like the drive is possibly stuck on that one. Yeah, look, the wheels are locked. So so far there's an issue with that one which we've got to sort out. Now this old mount field, he's got this one here, this mount field SP470, and again missing a wheel. So we're not too sure about this one. It is a self-drive model, as you can see there. Self-propelled, SP meaning self-propelled. It's the Briggs & Stratton Classic engine on this with the push to prime bulb. Did you press that? Any pressure there?
Something coming through, yeah.
Right, so again, state of that spark plug there, absolutely rusty there, so chances are this thing has not been touched for a hell of a long time.
And it's missing an engine bolt.
Oh, right, okay. Engine bolt out at the bottom of the deck's missing.
Oil in it.
So it's got oil in it. We'll just give this a test pull. And yet again, the handle's been cable tied up for the drive there. Is that the drive one or the engine brake?
Brake, yeah.
That's the engine brake, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, we'll give this a pull. See what happens. Oh, that don't sound too clever, does it? Yeah, where the engine is actually loose. Yeah. It's catching the bottom of the deck, so again, needs a lot of work, but both are complete, apart from the wheel missing off the front of that one. Oh, what's that you got there? Where's that come from?
Off that one.
Oh, right, we've got a spare wheel then. That's what we've bought recently. We've got 3 lined up there to go, and the one inside, as you've probably seen, which is ready to go. And there's our old big one, which we refurbished on our other playlist. That one's been sold now, and we're just waiting for the person to come and collect that. So it's good to be back in the workshop again, and I'd just like to say thanks to a few people who have been buying me some stuff off our Amazon wish list, which sits below the video in the description. And the first one goes to Caffel Craning, who's bought me some hose clips for our fuel lines and things like that, the proper ones. So much better than them horrible things, the wire ones you get, so that's a great thing. We've also got this has come in from our mate Kev from Epsom. Thanks very much, Kev. Kev brought me the hand crimping tool. I've got one of the very old ones. This is a ratchet one, and this is a lot better for definitely ensuring that the crimps are crimped up to the correct specified torque. So thank you very much indeed for that. We've also got this from William Davis. Thank you very much, William. It's the Thor hammer there. I do like these Thor hammers. I didn't have one with a hide end on it. I've got one with 2 copper ends, and the hide end is actually very handy as well. So thanks very much indeed for that. And from another YouTuber, I can't remember who actually sent me this one, but it's absolutely ideal for our little buffing jobs, which we use on paintwork and stuff like that. It's a selection of buffing pads with a little Velcro cap there, which screws into a little arbor, which goes into your drill, your battery drill, and gives you ideal polishing for your paintwork. So that's absolutely fantastic. Thanks very much indeed for that. The Revive It product, someone said that you can get it here in the UK on Amazon, but it's very dear in Amazon. Yeah, someone even said 19 to 20 pounds. I got it from eBay, which was 14.99. Someone says you can get it now for about 12.99, and it does last an eternity. So that was that. And a lot of you have noticed the trumpet in the background, which is sitting there. This I bought from a chap, and I was going to restore it, and not restore it, but I was going to actually convert it into a light fitting. I've seen them. You have a look for trumpet light fitting and see how much they actually go for. So that's the reason why I've got that sitting over there. A lot of people have made comment on that. And worktop's in a bit of a mess at the moment. Jimmy's been in here. He's been doing a bit of private work, and apparently he's been using the workshop while I've been away, and hence the mess. It will be tidied as soon as I have a word with him. I've also received off the wish list a set of these picks from US Pro. I can't remember the person who sent them to me, but you know who you are. Thank you very much indeed. They will come in very handy for when I'm hooking out things like grommets and little O-rings and stuff like that. Really handy for that sort of stuff. And also a couple of my subscribers have brought me some Briggs & Stratton governor springs in the sets there. So again, thank you for those of you who actually did that as well. Very, very handy. And also, as you probably know, the Diesel guy is the chap who does my merchandise. As you can tell, not this t-shirt, this is one of my old original ones, but he does my merchandise, and as you can probably see there, from my hoodies, which this one's got a zip front, which I do prefer than the pullover ones, and the merchandise there with the Brest logo on as well. You can, if you're interested in any merchandise, the links are in the description below the video, but if not, you can go to eBay. He sells them on eBay. Just type in Retrorestore and you'll find the t-shirts and also the hoodies there, and they're very reasonably priced as well. But he's also sent me a few little gifts as well. He done some more Retrorestore stickers for me, which I'm going to work out how to get someone to probably win these every time I upload a video. I'll probably do a random comment generator, so if you comment on the videos, once a week I may do a comment generator video where I'll just pick some people at random so that I can send you a free sticker. He's also done me a couple of fridge magnets. These again are little ones there. There's my logo on that one there, and also the Diesel guy himself. He has his own YouTube channel, although he doesn't promote merchandise on there, but he does do other stuff as well. So there's 2 fridge magnets which he sent me as well. And he's also done me, which I didn't realise he was going to do for me, he done me a batch of Retro Hack stickers as well. There we go, that's the Retro Hack stickers, so that'll be ideal. I haven't seen these, I didn't know he was going to do these for me. He's done them as a gift, as you can see there, for my other channel, which is Retro Hacks. I'm very pleased with them as well. So I'm going to sort out a board where I can put all my other channel stickers on display in my workshop. I was toying with the idea of maybe doing it along here, I'm not too sure yet. So anyone who's got a channel sticker can send me them, and I'll also send them one in return, and I'll put them on display along there as well. So that's that, absolutely fantastic. So I think we're going to leave this video here as a little update. I've just got back off my holidays. I thought I'd quickly get this video out and let you know that we're going to be doing them lawnmowers in the very near future. Be prepared for the little welding and powder coating one on that lawnmower sitting over there. And I've nearly finished the Vauxhall Signum. I know a lot of you want to see me back on the Triumph Acclaim. That's very, very nearly there now. I've just got the outstanding work to do on the Vauxhall Signum, which is sort the headlights out, sort the beams out, and then send it for an MOT. Then that will be legal again very, very shortly, and we'll be up and running with that. I've got to get the Triumph Acclaim finished. I want that out of the way because I want to start working on the Trotter van again, and a lot of you want to see them videos. Anyway, thanks very much. I'm going to leave this here for now, and we'll see you in the next video. This is just a little update vlog, and don't forget, if you have never been to our channel before and like what you see, do hit the subscribe button and ring the little notification bell, and that way you'll get informed every time we upload a video. Anyway, thanks very much. See you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.